After understanding the significance of email marketing, now this is the time to talk more about email marketing. In this video, I will discuss the various purposes and the types of emails. As you know that promotion is not the only purpose of email marketing, there are other purposes as well. Let us discuss them. There are three types of email from marketing purpose perspective, and these are transactional, relational, and promotional. Let me explain in detail with the help of examples. First, we have the transactional purposes. Transactional purposes are set to facilitate the transaction with the customer. For this purpose, transactional emails are used. There are various forms or types of transactional mails. Let us discuss them one by one. First, we have the order confirmation mails. Order confirmation emails are sent immediately after successful order placement. I am showing you the order confirmation mail received from Amazon. The open rate of such email is very high, as every customer is interested in knowing the details of the order. Moreover, such mails assure customer that everything is according to the order that a customer has placed. Most of the brands don't make any attempt to optimize the order confirmation mails. But look at the strategy of Amazon, what they do to optimize the order confirmation mails. Here, Amazon is recommending me top few products based on my interest or the product that I previously purchased. It will surely help the brand to use order confirmation for future mails. Very interesting. Purchase receipts. Purchase receipt emails are just like order confirmation mails. Such emails present details of your orders. Look at mail received from Tank Studio. The open rate of such emails is very high. These mails can also be leveraged for growth purpose. Like in this template, you can see few tabs like Home and Contact Us are used to provide more interactivity to the emails. Shipping notices. Shipping mails really excite customers. These mails are sent when items are shipped to the customer. A customer can track the delivery status of the items by using the tracking link embedded in the mails. Here is the template of shipping mail. Although the purpose of such mail is to update the delivery status, however, these mails can be leveraged to increase the traffic of website or to the social profiles like this one, account creation. These mails are sent when a new account registration or account is created for shopping purposes with the login credential of the customers. Here is an example. Although there is nothing to leverage in this case, but the customers may be asked to go to the social sharing. Return confirmation. Nothing technical. Return confirmation mails are sent when a customer requests to return the items purchased because of whatsoever reasons. Such mails can also be used to offer discount, deals, or coupons to regain the customer. Moreover, you may also promote your product based on the browsing history of the customers like here. Password reminder or reset emails. Most of the password reset mail contain nothing but a link to reset the password like here. Unsubscribe confirmations. These mails are usually sent in an automated mode when someone unsubscribes the services. There is not much to do with such mails. However, you may ask the customer for reasons of unsubscribing. It may help you in managing the future customers. Relational mails. The second type of mail category is relational mails. Relational mails play a very significant role in engaging the customers and to build the long-term relationship with them. For this purpose, different types of mails are used. Let me give you an overview of such type of mails. Welcome mail. I think we all must have received this type of mail at least once in the last few days. This type of email is sent immediately to the new contact automatically. This mail introduces the subscriber to the brand and explains the benefit of being in the contact list. Gated content delivery. You must have noticed that sometimes we want to download the free book, brochure, or any other free information. For this purpose, we have to pay the price for that either in the form of exchanging our email ID or social sharing. The content that you will download is called gated content. Usually an automated mail is sent having a link to download the content. Though this mail seems to be transaction 1, but there is lot of scope to use this mail creatively. Let me show you an example of gated content delivery mail. This is mail received from digital marketer to download the ultimate guide to digital marketing. And here is the link to download my free PDF book on digital marketing. Sending newsletters and blog articles. Every blog writer aims that subscriber of his blog should receive the alert of new articles when it got published automatically. This is done by sending automatic mails to the subscriber. Here is an example of this type of mail. Confirmation of webinar and event mail. Again, it's very common type of mail, which is usually sent to confirm the date and time of event or webinars. This type of mail is both transactional and relational mail. As a transactional mail, you have to confirm the date and time to enable the subscriber to make the schedule. As a relational mail, you have to optimize the mail in such a way that they will opt for your services and will be with you in the future as a customer. This is an example of webinar or event mail. There can be other types of mails as well that can be used as a relational mails like survey, review, social updates, referral request, etc. Promotional emails. Promotional mails are a powerful tool to acquire the new customers as, according to the direct marketing statistics, 66% of customers have made a purchase online as a direct result of an email marketing message. Let me explain various types of promotional emails. Promotional content. Every day, we receive promotional mails having promotional content of product and services or events. A promotional content may be defined as a content that is perceived as valuable to the audience and it generates sales for the brands sending promotional content. This is my personal Gmail account and you can see various promotional mails are there. Let me open this one. Yes, it contains promotional content about various products of the company. Sale announcement emails. Sale announcements are sent to the existing or potential customer from time to time by the brands. These mails play a significant role in engaging the customers than any other mail. To improve the open rate, the subject line of sale announcement mail should be very catchy. These are examples of sales announcement. New product release. The role of email marketing is to take the new subscribers through the customer journey from stranger to the partner. New product release mails are sent to both existing as well as potential customers. You may leverage such mails by offering discounts, deals, and first-time buyer coupons. Similarly, there can be other promotional mails such as webinar announcements, event announcements, trial offers. In this video, I discussed various types of mails such as transactional, relational, and promotional. Though these types are very simple to understand, however, discussion on these types was very important before we jump to the practical aspects of email marketing. In the next video, I will discuss the various platforms used for email marketing purposes.